Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to change the profile color on the Discord. So this is the new feature on the Discord. Now you can change the profile color, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to download or open your Discord account on the Discord desktop application. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. So once you will do it, here you will see a setting option, user settings. Just click on it, and after that here you will see multiple options. Go to the profiles from here. Now here you will see user profile and the server profile. Okay, simply if you want to change the colors of your user profile, from here you can change the banner color. Select any. As you can see, it's changed. Go to the save changes. Other option is that you can change the profile theme. Multiple profile themes available here. You can select according to your choice, but this is not free. To do this, you must have Nitro in your Discord, so you can purchase Nitro to grab this or use this feature. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.